Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Don from 1A Auto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And the next time you need a part for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to use the Jeep Liberty rear window repair kit from 1A Auto on this 2006 Jeep Liberty. And the items you'll need for this is a new rear window regulator repair kit from 1AAuto.com, a Phillips screwdriver, a flat blade screwdriver, a 10mm socket and ratchet, a putty knife, a drill, 11/64 drill bit, and pliers. Start off by prying out this little panel behind your door handle. And then there's a Phillips screw in there and one in the pole cup. Just go ahead and remove those. Using a putty knife or flat blade screwdriver, pry out the door panel so you can get your hand behind it. And then near the clips, pull directly out. And this will release those clips. Again, find the clip, pull out. And then when you get to this point, reach in behind the door panel and push those last two clips along the top out. And then the door panel lifts up and off. Now on the back of your door handle, push this clip off your door handle rod and push it down and out. Remove the 3 Phillips screws holding your speaker in place. Once those are removed, pull your speaker out, push the tab on the harness to disconnect it. And now carefully peel off your water shield, making sure you don't damage it. Your window's held to your regulator by this metal clip right here. So using a flat blade screwdriver, just pry that clip out. And you can push your window out of the regulator and slide it all the way up and tape it all the way up. Push this black clip through the door by pushing the tabs. And then you want to loosen these 3 bolts, each of them 10mm. Now loosen these 3 10mm bolts. Now slide the motor up and through the door. And do the same thing with the 3 bolts for the regulator. And then you want to angle it so you have better access to the wire harness on the motor. To disconnect the harness, pry the red clip out, then push the tab on the harness and pull it free. Now angle the regulator and pull it up and out through that big hole at the top of the door. Now that you've got your regulator out, you want to drill this rivet located right here. And you want to just drill it out entirely. Now using a flat blade screwdriver, pry up these 2 tabs on your window regulator. Now pry this plastic part up off the regulator. And then pull this to pull the coil out of the rail. twist the window clip off the coil. And then twist our repair kit one into place. And slide that back into place on the rail. And then push those tabs back through that plastic part. Now, using a pair of pliers, pinch those tabs back down. Push the small bolt that comes with the kit where the rivet was, and then put on the washer and that nut. And just twist it on by hand. And once you have it on there most of the way, hold it with your finger and tighten up the bolt with the Phillips screwdriver. And then push this clip into place. And you're all set. And you want to load your regulator back down into the door and hang it up into place. It's easier if you hang the regulator first. And once you have that in place, hang the motor into place. Now tighten up those 6 10mm bolts. And reconnect your motor harness and then push that red clip in to lock it. Remove the tape from your window and slide the window down into the regulator. And then push the window forward into that slide to clip it. Now replace your water shield, making sure that that interior door handle rod goes back through it and that your lock rod goes through it as well. Now reconnect the harness on the back of your speaker and push the speaker back into place. And reinstall those 3 Phillips screws and tighten them up. Now to reinstall the door panel, push your door handle rod back up into the door handle and reclip it. And then put your door panel down over the lock and onto the windowsill. Check behind the door panel and make sure the clips are lined up and then hit them into place. And then replace those 2 Phillips screws and that panel behind the door handle.
We hope this video helps you out. Brought to you by oneaauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.